Hi everyone, I'm Jim with Jim's Plumbing Now. Today we are here with Malik, a licensed journeyman plumber, and we have Sai here. We're going to go ahead and show today what is proper fall. So we want to show everyone that it's necessary to have proper fall under a home, and just what exactly is that, and just kind of talk to you a little bit about plumbing code and what we do out in the field. So Malik, you want to go ahead and show them how we determine proper fall?
I'm Malik with Jim's Plumbing Now. We're going to explain how proper fall works within a residential home or any establishment for that matter. So what we want in an ideal world is for the house side, right, to be sloped to be slightly higher than the city side. So you want to imagine your sewer line, this being your sewer line, and this being our level, which is a measuring tool to see how much fall that we have to a certain point. Now we want this, the house side, to be higher or on a high point than the city, so that we know everything is going downhill, making sure that everything is able to drain just fine, as opposed to this side being up higher or even level or high, where your waste is trying to run uphill. It's not going to work. All right, gravity allows, thank the Most High for giving us gravity so that our waste is able to go downhill. And like I said, we measure it when we make installations. We measure it with this tool here, so we get a 1/4 inch fall. Anytime a house gets lifted or anything like that, we want to make sure that these foundational tools are managed right when it concerns your sewer line, and make sure everything's flowing properly so you don't have any waste come up in the home or anything like that.
Now, one thing that could happen is it could either have no fall and just be going straight across. And what happens is the waste and everything, toilet paper, it's all gonna bunch up and it's gonna cause backups, right? So you're gonna back up into the home. Or even worse, it could have back fall, where this side, let's say, is going this way. So your waste isn't going, it's going uphill. It's not gonna make it, right? So those are gonna definitely cause backups, and especially over time, you're gonna have issues time and time again. So we just wanna make sure that the piping has proper fall, and then we have a 1/4 inch back fall, and that and we're able to get proper fall. So we have a level, it will show us exactly how proper fall is, and we'll go down the pipe as we install it and make sure that that the proper fall is there. So here's the level, here's the piping, and we just make sure we do it right the first time and make sure there's no problems in the future. Thank you so much for watching today. Please like this video and subscribe to our page. We'd love to teach you more about plumbing and give you some plumbing tips. Thank you. Jim out.